Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the progress bar to survey participants on your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the form and select the settings tab at the top. And then you want to go down underneath presentation and expand that versus form presentation, show progress bar. Go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.